The big clean continues on the Singer 348. I'll be starting off on this video by removing the sprockets, the hook sprocket, the idler sprocket. This is easy to remove. You just undo this slot head screw here and the whole thing comes off. And then this, I call this the vertical sprocket. It comes down from the horizontal arm shaft up there. And it has set screw, Allen key set screw. There's probably two. There's two on here on the hook sprocket. So those are the three sprockets I want to get off the machine. And once this one is removed, it should give me a little more room to get some of my scrubbers, you know, my long reachy scrubbers to clean off the verticals in there, or at least give them, you know, a bit of a dusting off. More importantly, it'll give me a general visual of how it looks when those are gone. And I mean, this is the first machine where it's had sprockets and a belt, and so it's really interesting learning about it. But having this off will allow me, when I get back up top, to remove the hook and that stuff up there. So the clean is going to continue on these, and in this video, and also these parts that are the stitch length regulator lever and its stuff. They have been cleaned already somewhat, but I'm going to give them, I want to take the actual stitch lever, I want to undo that, take the lever out of the block and clean them separately, and then put them back together and then see what else I'm going to do with this machine. It does have electricals still. It would be nice to be able to remove the electricals entirely, but that's beyond the scope of this video. At this point, you know, this video is about cleaning 1, 2, or at least getting 1, 2, 3 off and down there, and I'm going to be cleaning these parts and those parts. If you can see that. Oh yeah, I've got a little big long view here. Once again, I want to thank you for being here, and please do subscribe. It helps the channel, and I appreciate it very much. So I'm going to get started with that hook sprocket down at the bottom there, and I've already loosened the two set screws on that, so I should be able to just pull it off. There you go. I pull it off and drop it. You know, hopefully the screws stayed in. Yes, they did. So that's the one. This one is an easy one to take off because it's just undo that screw. That device is there now. And then now that that is off, now I can get in there. So there's one there and one there. And that was the correct size. Let me see if we're lined up here still. We're probably not. We are kinda. Let's fix this. Let's make this better. So there, that's lined up pretty good there. And this sprocket is the last one. So I'm hoping you can see right there. I have to turn it so I can get an angle on it. Hey. Yeah, I will say it is awkward. I have to undo this, take this off, in order to release this. And once I take that off, then I should be able to remove the hook. I'm hoping that I will be able to remove the hook once I remove that without having to remove this. But it may be a situation where not only do I have to remove that, but I have to remove that too. This piece has 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. That one just has the bolt or whatever on the back, the nut on the back. So I'll go to the bottom and see if I can get that off first and get this out without having to remove that. And all I'm going to do to undo that is get a pair of pliers. Oopsie daisy. Let me try that again. Let me try it this way. I'm still loosening it. It's coming. There, it fell off. And there it is there. So I'll just throw it in there. Now let me see if I raise this a bit. And you know what? It doesn't seem to be coming out. And I had one out before. I probably have to loosen that one too. So that's cool because this is only threaded right up here. So it just slides all the way up to there and then threads on there. So I'm going to keep my hook gear together there for now. Let me see what else I can do up here. I don't understand why. Well, let's take that off. Here, it's all coming out. Almost. I'm going to keep that one separate. But anyway, yeah, so now it's nice and open and it's pretty clean, and I wonder if that was the one I took apart before. There's the spring for the slide plate, and that has oil on it still. So we'll just leave that right there, and I can't lose them. So the cleaning will continue, my friends, but it won't continue in this video. This video is ending up being the time length I'm prepared for. So I'm going to stop this video here. In the next video, I'm going to start right back here, cleaning all this stuff and get it all tidied up and somewhat put back together. But we're really going to take a look at the hook area and that kind of stuff. So hope this is helpful to you. I know it's a little sporadic, kind of jumping back and forth between the hook and the switch length regulator and all that. But it's a great way to learn for us, I think. So please do subscribe. It helps the channel, and the channel and I can use the help. Of course, have fun, stay safe, come back real soon. Hit the notify button so when I sporadically post, you'll get notice, and like and view and subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll yak at you soon. Adios, amigos.